Ladies and gentlemen, today the transformation starts on my brand new 2023 Camaro 2SS 1LE. Let's get going. So today I'm headed over to Darren's house yet again to do another install. And Madeline, that helped us do the wheel haul video, will be there to help us again. If you're already excited about it, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you love Camaro content, thank you for joining and pressing that play button. And if you don't want to miss a single one of these transformation videos, because there's going to be a lot more stuff being done to this Camaro, make sure to smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. So here comes Madeline with her beautiful ZL1 1LE. And you know the goal is to make my car look very similar to this. Good morning, Madeline. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You ready to help me make my SS look like your ZL1?
Yes, I am. I need a twin. I need a twin.
You guys didn't get to see this last time on my video too much, but this is matte finish wrapped over the white paint. So it definitely has a different look than my car, and it matches her hood. As you know, this is a satin hood. So it's a very, very neat looking, I mean, it's actually PPF, so it protects and it looks really cool. So yeah, today we are going to do the ACS Composite ZL1 Side Rockers, which are right there in that long box, and then the front rock guards, which are in the short box, which will stop rocks from flinging back and nailing the underside of the car. So
pretty exciting.
All right, well, let's get started. Maddie is going to help neighbor Mark unbox the two ACS components here. And look, she came with her own knife. Check it out. All right, let's do it. Let's do the small box first. They get the best for last. All right.
Let's see if my knife did a good job.
Oh yeah, yeah, did a great job. Satin. Oh, yep, that's satin. So check that out. Those are going to look really, really good.
God, ACS does such a good job on that. Look at the tape. It's perfectly sized for that. It's the satin black, right, that matches the Camaro.
Yeah. So what do you think of those,
nice.
Maddie?
They look good.
Would you want some of those on your ZL1?
Actually, I'd be interested. This is pretty cool.
Yeah. So we'll see what you think of them on my car.
Yeah.
Go
and then I'll know if I want them or not.
Yeah.
They're satin as well. Look at that. That is awesome. Beautiful.
They have a nice flange there for
Yeah.
mounting, right?
Yeah, these match up with the underside of the car right here. So that's going to be really easy to make sure it's on perfectly. So we ran into a little issue trying to put side skirts on my car. We're having to follow Mark to his house, and we're going to take Maddie's ZL1 1LE. She said she wants me to drive.
Yes, you need to feel the difference. Even though you have driven one, but this one's a manual, so.
That's right, this one's a manual.
Yes.
All right, so let's have some fun.
A few moments later.
All right, so that was quite the fun ride we had in Maddie's ZL1 1LE, and we've got the driver's side done here. So just to show you what that looks like, the beautiful ZL1 side rocker, and then the rock guards in the front. So now we're gonna bring all the stuff over to the passenger side and we're going to do this and show you exactly how they are installed. The good news is that front rock guard is really simple. This side skirt is actually easier than the ones that are on Corvettes because there is no tape. You don't have to line anything like that up. And you guys will see when I get under there that the underside of this car matches the cutouts in the actual side skirt. So it makes it very simple. You ready to get going?
I am. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Cool thing about this is it matches up perfectly right here with this area right here. Okay, and then this tape tapes all the way from here up on this area. So you just got to make sure it matches up really well, and that's how it's going to go right there. So we'll go ahead and take half of it off the tape. I think that is money.
Yeah.
Does it look good to you?
Good. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to?
Yep, go ahead and peel. Okay. What's interesting that I've noticed is right here there's a gap, probably because of a GM assembly issue.
Probably.
But you see that little gap in there? The tape actually isn't butting up to the, I mean, even if I press hard, it's really not touching just a little portion right here. But that's why we have rivets. So go ahead and show them the inside here. There's 3 different rivet holes that we have to drill, and it's a 3/16 drill bit. So now that those are all drilled, here's the rivet, and it goes in this way. So I'll put the first one in there, the last 2. Pretty simple stuff. So I'll hold it up against it. There you go. And that is how you put the rivet in. Now that's very secure. So let's do the other 2. And by the way, everything that I watched on this, you definitely want to do the front rock guard first before you do the side skirt. Nice. So that's it. All the rivets are done. And that rock guard is firmly secure. These are the first holes that you'll drill when you put it on. When you turn it this way, they're going kind of on an angle, and you can see with these little marks that you're supposed to drill on an angle. So you'll drill those first, but before we even get to that, we will actually use some clamps to clamp this front part and that back part just to hold it in place. Then we'll drill everything, put the rivets in this, and then drill these and put the rivets in those. I didn't hit your hand.
No, you're good.
Okay, thanks. So that back rivet and the front rivet are not easy to get to because the side rocker comes down really far. Nice.
Got it.
What'd you think of that?
Pretty easy. Just need to use some strength.
Yep, you gotta have strength. Try pulling that all the way out. Just make sure.
Oh, did I?
There you go. Yep.
Oh. Did you get the one from the floor?
I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right, so there's the passenger side. These are really simple to install and they look really good. I can't wait to see it on the ground and put it next to Maddie's car.
Yes. We're gonna be twins.
That's right.
Looks really
Soon
good.
enough.
Yeah.
I've got a little bit of stuff to do to match that. Alrighty, so we are all finished. We got to put the tires back on, obviously drop this down. You guys already saw the amazing drone footage of what this side rocker and front rock guards look like on the new SS. Thank you so much to Madeline, or Maddie for short.
Either or.
Thank you so much to Darren. He did so much with the wheels and tires, cleaning them up, making sure that...
Anytime. I know you wanted that done. It's going to look good.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yep. And thank you to Maddie for letting me drive her beautiful ZL1. We had a little bit of an emergency. We had to go get another rivet gun. So she came to the rescue. We took her car. It was fun to drive it. So you guys got to check out her channel. It's mad_ZL1. It's her Instagram. Go follow her. Obviously go follow Darren at NRDemons. NRDemons.
Yep.
On Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Huge thanks to ACS Composite for these beautiful parts. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next upload.